The future of trucks is here, and it's wearing the blue oval. This is the all-new 2022 Ford F-150 Lightning, an all-electric mid-size truck that will change the way you work and play. In this video, we'll dig into all the features and then take it out for a drive. To learn about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com, click New Car Research, Ford, and then select F-150 Lightning. We make it easy to find what you want, fast. Who knew that the future of trucks would look very much like present-day trucks? In fact, if you didn't read the badge, it would be easy to mistake this Lightning for a standard petrol-powered F-150. The truth is, however, that under the skin, this is a very different machine. Built on an advanced electric platform, the F-150 Lightning is available in a variety of powertrains, with a price starting around $40,000 after tax credits. The model we're testing today is the XLT Crew Cab with dual-motor all-wheel drive and an extended range battery. Prices you see it here, $76,384 US, including destination. More than just a way to avoid the fuel pump, the all-electric Lightning has some distinct advantages over the standard F-150. As a rolling power source, it can provide high-current electrical connections pretty much anywhere with the available 9.6 kilowatt ProPower system. With no engine in front, the space is now available as bonus secured storage. And then there's the performance. Power and torque are simply massive. As equipped, this Lightning produces up to 580 horsepower and 775 pound-feet of torque, making short-distance hauling and towing nearly effortless. Ford rates the maximum payload at 1,800 pounds and towing at 10,000 pounds. When it's not towing, range is rated at up to 320 miles on a single charge. When you do need to recharge, plug it into a DC fast charge outlet, and Ford estimates only 41 minutes to go from 15 to 80% capacity on the battery. Inside, the F-150 Lightning looks just like a normal F-150. That means it provides a best-in-class interior experience, including a modern touchscreen supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as full integration of truck functions and entertainment. The seats are comfortable with powered adjustments and heat. There's also a convertible workspace if you take your office with you. Ford takes safety seriously with a full suite of active technology. Collision mitigation, blind spot warning, surround view camera system, and even adaptive cruise control is included. Driving the F-150 Lightning is a transformative experience. You'll never miss the drone of an engine again. Ford has also done a remarkable job reducing wind noise, making for the smoothest and quietest drive you'll ever have in a truck. Gone are the days of wagon-sourced leaf springs. This F-150 Lightning has fully independent suspension, which also makes this one of the best handling F-150s you can buy today. The Ford F-150 Lightning is an easy answer for buyers looking to move into the future without compromising functionality. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to see all the options from Ford. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation Ford dealer today.